We Will is a state-funded grant program, so it's a way of preparing students to make pathways all the way from grade school to high school to universities to then the workforce.
We Will grant provided scholarships for 6 students from San Joaquin, Stanislaus, and Merced counties to attend Pacific Summer High School Institute. These were students specifically interested in healthcare careers. They got to experience what it is like to be on a university campus.
One of my favorite things was just making new connections with people. Everyone that I've met here has been really nice. My roommate, my dorm mates. I went to play basketball. Everyone there was like really nice, really welcoming, and it made me feel like I was really part of the program.
In the future, I do plan on going into the medical field, so I feel like this is a great opportunity to kind of introduce me to what it's like working in a lab, working with other people.
I do like the extra activities after classes, but I also like learning about nursing. And then I also like the independence that I have since I am living a college life for 2 weeks.
You know, just pick what you want to do, like have fun with it, meet new people. I didn't really know about it, but it's an excellent opportunity. You know, if it's free, obviously you got to make the most of it.
Thanks to this experience, these scholars envision themselves going from high school to college and graduate studies or directly into a career in healthcare.